Welcome viewers to our YouTube channel Self Health Care. You can easily whiten your teeth by following some steps. In this video, I will show you some easy teeth whitening home remedies. This is our YouTube channel Self Health Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic: easy teeth whitening remedies. Eat strawberries. There is evidence that strawberries can help to whiten teeth due to contain an enzyme called malic acid and vitamin C. The astringent found in strawberries helps to remove surface stains while vitamin C washes away plaque. Mashing a few strawberries and brushing with the mixture once or twice a week can have positive results. You could also just eat strawberries, making sure to chew really well and allowing them to do the brushing on their own. Floss your teeth. For some reason, flossing doesn't come as easily to people as brushing. Still, many dentists and hygienists agree that flossing is more important than brushing. Floss twice daily for the best teeth saving results. Just flossing can easily remove the shining between your teeth, helping them to look whiter. Baking soda and lemon. This may be one of the most popular of the natural teeth whitening home remedies. The chemical reaction of baking soda with the citrus of lemon juice has a smile brightening effect. Either one of these ingredients works well, but together they are super effective. Only brush with this solution up to once per week, as it can wear away the tooth enamel if used too frequently. If irritation occurs, the baking soda may be too abrasive for your gums, so discontinue use. If you are worried about damaging tooth enamel, try some of the other solutions. Eat crunchy fruits and veggies. Apple, celery, and carrots are all great for your teeth. Crunchy fruit or vegetables acts like nature's toothbrush. Simply chewing removes excess food and bacteria from your mouth. It also helps to scrub away surface stains. Not only does the texture remove food particles and bacteria, but the acids in the fruits and vegetables pull double duty, actually keeping the teeth whiter. Apples in particular contain malic acid, the chemical also found in strawberries and teeth whitening products that remove surface stains. Use a straw. Coffee, tea, soda, and wine can all cause serious damage to enamel to your teeth. Whenever possible, use a straw to reduce direct exposure to teeth. If drinking your coffee or wine out of a straw is more embarrassing than discolored teeth, just make sure to brush after drinking these beverages. Expect after drinking white wine. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.